Let's make almond pistachio biscuits with wheat flour. First, grind some pistachios and almonds. This gives much better flavor and texture. Measure with 1/3 cup. I am taking this out into a bowl because we need this 1/3 cup for measuring other ingredients. In a bowl, take 1/4 cup curd, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda in it. Mix quickly. Then immediately add 1/3 cup melted ghee in it. Mix well. Then add half cup powdered sugar. Now add 1 plus 1/4 cup wheat flour. Then add our almond pistachio powder and a pinch of salt. Mix gently. This is the perfect dough, soft, smooth, not sticky. Refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's slice some almonds and pistachios to sprinkle on the top of the biscuits. Our dough is ready. Take half of the dough and roll it between two parchment paper. I am adding a light sprinkle of almond and pistachio powder on top. Then decorating it with sliced almonds and pistachios. Press lightly so they bake evenly. Now cut the biscuits in rectangular shape or any shape of your choice. Place them on a baking tray. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes on microwave convection mode, or you can bake it in OTG and in kadhai as well. Edges should turn slightly golden. Don't overbake, they will harden after cooling. Always let biscuits cool completely before handling. Place them on cooling rack for some time. Bake the remaining biscuits. Taste is rich, buttery, mildly sweet and full of nut flavor because we used freshly ground almonds and pistachios. The flavor is next level. Try it and you will not regret.